Hi guys, welcome back to the storage unit. I'm here with the RS. I have a little tiny problem with the RS, nothing major. My left side peg here, it losing the rubber and it's annoying me. I didn't know about going with the original. There's quite a bit of rubber and it does seem to see how loose it is. I kind of don't like it. I mean, this one's probably newer, but it kind of moves quite a bit, even on a one that's not used as much. So I kind of wanted something different, and after much searching, I went with the Puig. These are small pegs. These are sport pegs. Let's see if I could get one out here. I went with the black, and you could get them in multiple colors, but they are a little, see how small they are compared to the originals, and I'm a little concerned. But the SW Motec ones, they were more square and looked more for like a GS, and I wanted something at least a little sporty, because I know I'm doing mostly touring on this bike, but I still want sporty. Now with these though, everybody on the internet was, you know, pitching a fit about needing to buy the adapters, which to me, it was okay. When you first buy the peg, the Puig peg, Puig, whatever the hell however you call it, you have to buy these adapters. But once you have the adapters, then you got it. You know, you could just buy a peg. So, and you know, you could point the angle any which way. And they do offer lowers, like it'll be lower, but I didn't want that. I just wanted the original setup. So yeah, it's going to be a little smaller, but if I don't like them, I don't like them. You know, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, they say I could use the same hardware as the original. The only thing I'm worried about is the spring. That's going to be annoying, but why don't you join me for my frustration today in the storage unit. First, I gotta get this clip off here. I was a little leery about reusing the clip because sometimes these bend, but that wasn't that bad. Now, get pop the pin out, which the spring will probably fight back. I'm pushing in. See that spring popping. Okay, maybe not. All right. So it's like that. The pin looks pretty good actually. Not a lot of wear on it. I'll keep it oriented here. Now it goes this way. I'm sure it goes this way. Let's see if I can. I just want it loose. Yeah, see the arrow, you could turn it, you know, any way. Ah, that's where the spring goes. So yeah, this is the bottom part. I don't believe there's a left and a right to this. C35. They're both the same part number. They look the same. Yeah, same thing. So there's not a left and a right. You could use either one. But I'm gonna put the spring in there first, just like so. Where this, see, this side goes in a little hole here, and then this side, this little L, goes inside this little keyway kind of thing here, that little notch. Now we take our pin. I'm not going to put any anti-seize on it. Take our spring, put it in the hole here. Yeah, see how the spring is up like this? Kind of gotta, after I get my pin in a little bit here. Push. Okay, maybe not. It's not gonna be that bad. Push down on the spring. Like, oh wow, that was simple. That was simple. Huh, that's awesome. Now I get my C-clip. The C-clip. I'm just gonna like bend it a little bit inward with my fingers. Give it a nice little tight snug here. A little snug fit. Oh, almost stabbed my hand. Okay, there we go. That's in. I won't adjust these yet. I do have some Loctite. They don't even give you any locking mechanism there. But yeah, the originals were kind of forward like that. I don't know how I want them yet. I'm gonna install the other side before I go and adjust them. Let's go to the other side now. Yeah, so this other side is not bad. Just the left side there. This is not really all that bad. Now the thing about this side is you got the brake lever down here. It's a little in the way. We're gonna see if we could see what we could do here. I'm just gonna pop the pin out. There we go. C-clip. All right, now push in, okay, push in, nope, oh. Gonna have to grab this side with pliers, guys. I don't know if the spring, I don't have much for tools here, guys. Okay, ready? There it is. Whew. That one was a little difficult. Not too bad though, could have been worse. Again, we're going to put the L shape in the notch. Just gonna loosely put the peg on. Okay, gonna loosely put the peg on. It doesn't come with an Allen key either, you know, so just so you guys know. All right, put the pin in. Okay, pin's in. Nice spring action. And we'll put the clip in. Stab my hand. And stab my hand again. A little discoloration on my exhaust, which I did try to polish it up, but it's gonna happen. It's on the road, you know. It's the closest thing to the road. Try to. Try to get that clip in. Okay, almost. Hope of those to go flying. A little loose. See that loose? That's what I don't like about them. When you have to reuse them. Let's just tighten it up a little bit. Hopefully it don't break. Okay, tightened it up a little. Let's try that. Don't want to go too crazy, but you want it to be tight so it doesn't fall out. There we go. Now that's a nice snap there. Yeah, they I mean, for what you pay for these, they should come with at least some hardware, but at least C-clips. But you could get these C-clips anywhere, really. Get new C-clips, but these are tight here. I'm happy with it. All right, I'm just gonna snug them up a little bit. I think I want them like this. What's that notch? One, 2, 3, 4. Notch 4. Alright, I'll go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. Let's try this. Now this is the problem here. The reason why this peg's rubber broke was probably because of this. When I get on it, I cheat and I use the peg instead of lifting my leg, because I can't, because it's too short. And I could. It's just a pain like that. But I use the peg to get on, and that's what I think broke that rubber. Really, it was my fault. But ooh, I kind of like that right there. I do. I kind of like that at 4. Let me just yeah, so wow. Okay. I'm gonna leave it at 4, guys. That'll do it. That'll do. Try to get off. Oh, see? I can't get used to that. You know, lifting my leg over and then getting off the set. Like, I need to use that peg. I'll see if it damages this rubber. But this rubber's a lot thinner, you know, and it's tighter on the peg. And I want to say, I don't know if you could just get the rubbers, but I know for a fact you could just get the peg. And now that I have the mount, I don't need to buy the mount anymore. I just buy the peg. So yeah, there was a lot of people online, because you know they're affordable, but you need to buy both. I can't remember exactly how much I paid, but yeah. So I'm gonna use 4. I'm just gonna put a little Loctite on the bolt, because it makes more sense to me to put Loctite on the bolt, because I don't know, I just feel like it needs it, you know what I'm saying? Or can't put Loctite on the bolt because the bolt won't come out, so I'll put a little bit on the thread, just a little bit, because this is permanent, this is red. Now I'm going to tighten her up. Nice and tight, man. Nice and tight. Okay. Next. Nice and tight. All right. Okay, looks good, looks good, looks good. Now let's use this peg to get on. See how it is then. I'm also in my sneakers, which might be detrimental. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like it. If not, I'll change it to 3, because it is vert. Well guys, that's my little install video. Hope you got something out of this anyway. Thank you for watching, and if you would, please like and share and subscribe and whatever. But yeah, so the Puig foot pegs with mounts. Thank you for watching.